During the last months, you worked really hard, hit all the deadlines and had an impact on your company. You feel that now you are ready for a promotion, but you have no idea how it works. Today, I will tell you exactly how promotions usually work and what you can do to maximize the probabilities of success. First of all, keep in mind that the promotion process changes a lot based on your company policies and culture. The Google promotion process will be probably completely different from, I don't know, the monkey pen shop promotion process. Usually, if the company is big enough, you will find some useful documents in the internal wiki. The first document you have to read is the promotion policy. Inside this policy, you will find all the info that you need regarding being promoted in the company. Okay, but what if my company doesn't have a well-defined promotion policy? This happens a lot if you are in a startup or in a smaller company. That's not a problem itself. The promotion process in this case will be more informal. Personally, I think that a mature enough company must make explicit the promotion process, so that everyone interested can read what needs to be done to be promoted. The normal promotion process happens right after a performance review. Also in this case, in your company's wiki, you should find how the performance review works. You will probably find some information like how many times per year the company will run a performance review, usually once or twice a year. What are the people that will be involved? For example, in my performance review, I will be involved for sure since I will create a self-assessment, but also my peers and my managers as well will give me a feedback about my work. Another information that you will find in the policy is what artifacts will be generated. A performance review usually generates a few artifacts. First of all, you will create a self-assessment, then you will receive a feedback from your manager, and then together you will create a growth plan. If you are not able to find any of these documents, for me, that's a red flag. Stay with me until the end to know what to do in case you find too many red flags. If you really want to be promoted, you will probably need to create a promotion package. The promotion package is just a document or a set of documents that outlines all the reasons why you deserve a promotion. You will add, for example, all the things you did that had a measurable impact on the project you're working on. And of course, the promotion package is always created with your manager. Then a committee will review your promotion package and they will come back to you with a feedback. In this case, two things can happen. First of all, you will be promoted. In this case, congratulations, or you will not be promoted. In this case, the committee will give you a feedback and will tell you what you need to work on to reach your goal on the next performance review. And yes, if you don't receive any feedback at all, that's a red flag. Alright, now that you know more or less how it works, let's dive into practice. The first thing to do is to make your manager aware of your goal. In your next one-on-one with your line manager, explain to her that your goal is to be promoted during the next performance review and ask for a feedback. Your manager usually has way more context than you and can give open and honest feedback about your job in the organization. Timing is everything when it comes to discussing promotions. Ideally, you want to initiate these conversations when your contributions are most visible and valuable to the company. A first opportunity is right after you successfully completed a significant project. Another opportune moment is during strategic planning periods, when the company is looking ahead and determining its future needs. Engaging in discussions about your career advancement during these times aligns your aspirations with the company's growth. Once your manager is aware of your goal, there are a few possibilities. In the first case, your manager is happy with your decision and will help you during the process of being promoted. This is the best case. Your manager trusts you and believes you have all the right cards in your hands to be promoted. What normally happens in this case is that your manager will give you more information about how promotion usually works in your company. You will start to prepare together a promotion package and your manager will advocate for you. The second option is that your manager gives you an honest feedback. You are not ready yet to be promoted. That's also fine. I mean, maybe you overestimated your skills or you don't have a clear enough visions of the company's requirements. It is not ideal when someone tells you that you are not ready. I know how it feels, trust me. But even if it is not the best, your manager has been honest and it did you a big favor. What you have to do in this case as a follow-up to this feedback is to create together a growth plan. You will set together smart goals that help you to go in the direction of a promotion in 1 year or more. It all depends on your starting point and speed of improvement. The worst thing that can happen is receiving no feedback from your manager. If she's not engaged with you for a long period, if she doesn't seem to care about your career growth, that's a huge red flag for me. Without the support of your line manager, the chances of being promoted are way lower. Hey folks, I need your help. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the new videos that will come out. To summarize, in a healthy environment, what should happen is either you have a career growth plan to reach your goal in a specific time frame, or you will try to go for promotion in the next performance review cycle. Something else you should do is evaluating at what frequency people are promoted in your organization. For example, in my company, every time people are promoted, there is an announcement. Also, by checking on LinkedIn, you can see if your colleagues changed roles during the years. If you are not able to find any information about people being promoted, this can be a sign of stagnation. Alright, now it's time for the tough question. What if I recognize multiple red flags? I know that we both know the answer, but it's slightly more complex than that. There are two possible problems. First of all, your manager doesn't advocate for you, or even worse, your organization doesn't provide a way to progress in your career. Let's say that you are in the first case, but you really like your company. You are happy with what you do, your colleagues are fantastic, and you want to work on the same problem or product. If the company is big enough, you can evaluate a team change and so a manager change. Sometimes you are just working with the wrong manager, and since she can have a huge impact on your career growth, don't hesitate too much if you notice that she doesn't care about you. The second option, in case your company is unhealthy from this point of view, is looking around for other opportunities. In case you want to be promoted to a more senior role, you may want to find a company that is looking for someone like you. Being promoted in your company or even joining a new company at a higher level are both valid ways to progress in your career. Now that you have all the knowledge you need to be promoted, the time to act is right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment and schedule a one-on-one meeting with your manager as soon as you can. Remember, every step you take from drafting your promotion package to timing your conversation is a step closer to realizing your ambitions. I hope you enjoyed this content about career growth, and if you want to see more videos like that, this is the video you want to watch next.